Alright, what's up guys? I, the other day, just bought a day reg for the Commodore that I went and bought the other day, which it's not going to show us, but oh well. Yeah, drove it back home, cleaned out the inside, which I put a time lapse of yesterday, and then a whole bunch of people came over and I wanted to give it a wash, but they were all here and hanging out, so yeah, we're gonna get a time lapse of washing the outside of it tonight. Into that. Should be looking Mentos. And grab some ingredients to give it a better wash, and yeah, doing it. If you're cleaning your car and you don't have a chamois, you're doing it all wrong. Like, all wrong. You know, when you leave, hang on, I'll show you. See them bubbles? You just let them dry, it'll stain and leave little bubble marks on there, right? Use this, gets rid of it, doesn't leave any mark, right? Alright, she is nice and clean, but have a look at this. Let me just see that in. I can't see it, there's bugs in there. But yeah. Alright, so the piglet's all clean, and I think Dad booked in a bloody mechanic to come look at it to see what we need, because I mean, I'm no mechanic, but I'll do shit to it to myself. But yeah, he's coming to tell us what we need and whether it's worth even getting on the road. Because from what I gather, it's pretty close to it. All it needs is power steering, from what I think. But yeah, looks nice.